Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your cute problem in your Gmail. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply start our video now. So first of all, you will just go to your Gmail app, and once your app is open, you will simply tap on this three horizontal line on your top left corner, and you will swipe and go to this option called settings over there, and you will tap on this three dot icon on top right corner. Go to manage accounts, and here you can see this auto sync data. If it's on, simply off this option. If it's off, simply on. Simply do the opposite of your default. Then you will simply go back, and this will probably fix your problem. If it's not, then what you will do is simply just go to your settings, and you will go to this option called apps over here, and simply find your Gmail app. Simply tap on the particular app. Simply go to this option called storage over here, and your clear cache as well, and as well if you would like to simply clear data as well from there, and that will probably fix all of your problems out from your Gmail app. Then you can go back and you can go to your Play Store as well, go to search, type in Gmail, and you can see if your app is updated or not. If it's not, simply update your app as well. This will also sort out some of the errors and lags from your app as well. This will also help you out. And yeah, this is how you can simply just try all of the solutions that I've showed you over here to solve your problem of your Gmail. That's how you can simply do it. And thank you so much for watching our video till the end. And yeah, everybody, I'll see you guys next time.